I need to give that property a change handler. And now I need to weigh things out. Okay, I can't do the tying of the, I can't do this code here until both those things are set, because I got to know how to do it, when exactly to do it. You understand? It becomes a little hairy because what you're acting upon is the changing of one of those properties. So now you got to put some flags in here. So if this property is the one that fires a handler first, a change handler first, check to see if the other one has a value. If it doesn't, then put it on standby and wait till this one, or do it the other way around. It becomes a little bit of a pain in the butt. What I want is I want a behavior where I can give it as many properties as I want, and then have another place to say, now initialize. Now that I've given you all the data that you need, initialize. Don't do the initialization based upon the setting of one of these properties. And that's where a blend behavior comes in. That's the power of a blend behavior. The disadvantage of a blend behavior is the fact that a blend behavior requires just a little more XAML to work with. But it's not that bad. It's actually pretty powerful. So here's an example of a blend behavior, and they're actually easier to write, because they inherit from a base class that we get from this blend SDK. And you could attach a blend behavior directly to something. Where in the case of an attached property, if I wanted to limit this attached behavior to text boxes only, I have to do it programmatically here. I didn't do it here, but I would have to check that framework element to see if it's not a text box. And if it's not, simply return out. Or throw an exception, or do whatever I want. That's how I limit it to a specific type of control. In a blend behavior, I do it in the generic, which is quite nice. Now, this doesn't have to be a specific control. This can be, I can do a behavior of framework element. So I can write a blend behavior that is attachable to any framework element, no matter what type it is.